Eleanor breaks tradition. Her ideas about Black Americans and white women made some men angry. These men thought that the job of the First Lady should be simple. First Ladies should be quiet and stand beside the president. Eleanor completely changed the job of the First Lady. So here we have a photograph with the people that she invited to the White House. She even invited hundreds of African Americans to the White House. This had never been done before. She wanted to show Americans that everyone is created equal and deserves the same rights. Why we remember her story. As First Lady, Eleanor was told to act a certain way. She risked people hating her so that she could use her power to help others. As a wealthy woman, it would have been easy for her to live a comfortable life. She didn't have to work. She chose to work. She chose to use her voice to help millions of Americans across the country. First Ladies now use their voices to help those in need as well. Eleanor changed what a First Lady should do. This helped Americans see that women could take on more responsibility and should be given more opportunities. So I want you to stop and kind of reflect on a woman in your life that has made a positive impact on you and that has shown you that women can do anything that they put their minds to and has shown you that everyone should be treated the same. And on the next slide, in your own words, you are going to tell me, why is Eleanor Roosevelt important to our country?